Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to learn about how to make money online while listening to music. $12 per song, which is crazy. You can earn a crazy amount of money from this strategy. So before we start this video, as I'm giving you this information for free, feel free to subscribe right now and click the notification button so you can't miss any making money online video. Just if you want to get the bag, if you want to get the money, just subscribe. Let's get to the money, man. Let's get to the money. Let's get it. So today's website is called Playlist Push. Playlist Push pays you money to listen to songs from artists around the world. Like, artists want to be the next Beyonce, they want to be the next Jay-Z, so they are paying you money so you can listen to their song and get crazy amount of monthly listeners. So the first step is we have Playlist Push. As you guys can see, it's for artists. Their network, they have 23 million monthly listeners from playlists combined. That's crazy, and that's crazy amount of listeners each month, which can guarantee us that we're gonna make money on this website. So we go for creators, Spotify playlist creators. We go there, make money with your Spotify account. That's what we want to do. So let's read the things before we sign up. Get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, you can consider adding it to one of your playlists. To qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with real voice on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. So you're gonna listen to music that you like. Guys, we don't care if you like it or not, we're gonna listen to it anyways to get that money. So paid per review, qualified playlist curators can earn up to $12 per song review. That's crazy. $12 for a song. Imagine doing it 8 hours a day, 12-15 hours a day. That's an extra $4,000, $5,000 per month. That's crazy. Like, imagine doing this. Like, who doesn't want extra cash? So yeah, we will go to sign me up here. Sign me up. Click here, sign me up. You'll type your name, your Gmail or email. I already have an account, guys, but for privacy reasons I'm not gonna show my private account or my email, so I'm giving you an example so you can see the steps with me. You type your number, and yeah, that's how you get paid. There's a crazy trick, guys, you need to watch till the end so you can know this trick. So your biggest playlists on Spotify, this must be a public playlist you have created and still manage. So guys, if you're telling me, man, I don't have a Spotify playlist, what should I do? It's simple. So simple. You go to Spotify on your Google, boom, you go to Spotify, you create a free account. So guys, we'll create a free account and you create a Spotify playlist. As you guys can see, I just made this playlist, and you can earn money with this playlist. You add any song, let's say Beyonce, and you go to her artist profile, click here, add to playlist. Crazy vibes. Display and put a plenty of songs there. And I'm gonna tell you how to get the 1,000 followers on Spotify. Just wait and see till the end. So we'll go here, share, copy link to playlist, click here, and boom, and you click continue. So guys, I was saying they won't confirm you until you have 1,000 followers on your Spotify account. So you go to Google, Spotify, so you will type Spotify followers, buy real Spotify followers. You go to this website, random website, and you may buy, let's say, 2,000 Spotify artists followers for $17, and that's all what you want. But if you don't want to spend any money, comment your Spotify playlist down below and people will follow you, like all of us will follow each other, so we can make money with playlist push. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video with your friends to make money online right now. Let's get to the money, let's get to the bag. See you in the next video. And if you want more money online videos, check out my channel. There's a plenty of videos on my channel. Let's get it and let's be rich. See you in the next video.